Hi, good evening, everyone. Today is the first online workshop hosted by Urban Sketcher Hanoi and Urban Sketcher Thailand. It's the first of 7 workshops which Urban Sketcher Hanoi will conduct this week. The first workshop is broad stroke pencil sketching. Before we go to the details of the workshop, let's discuss about the point of the workshop today and the key points of the how to sketch with the broad stroke pencil. This is the content of the workshop today. Let's say like this. The broad stroke pencil sketching have only 2 points when we sketch with pencil. First is line or called stroke. Something like we sketch with the broad stroke pencil. The line will be bigger or thicker than the normal. The point number 2, we will talk about the value. The value of the sketch means we do many tones. In our sketch, both line and value will create form. We use only line and value to create form. The workshop today, we will talk about the 2 kinds of form. The first one is buildings, the form of the building. And the second one is form of the trees. Just 2 points, 2 content for the workshop today. And before we go to the detail of the both points, first we will talk about the introduction, the character of the broad stroke. And the important things is how to sharpen the pencil. And after we talk about the line and the value, I will do the demo. The demo will show to sketch the old quarter Hanoi. And final, I will show you the World Master sketches. Most of the sketches belong to the master named Ted Koski. He is the author of the book about the broad stroke pencil sketching. I will show you at the last step of the workshop today. This is all the content of this workshop. So first, I will show you the character of the broad stroke pencil sketching. the character of the brushstroke sketching. When we see the pencil sketching, this is not the normal pencil. This is the pencil which we sharpen to be a broad line of the lead. The lead will be bigger than the normal. We will see the sample line of this picture. The window of the building has broad line, right? Not the small line. You see the tree, the stroke is bigger than normal pencil. You see the outline of the pagoda. And for the Opera House, Hanoi. And we can sketch the landscape that will show you the stroke of the tree, the big stroke of the tree, you see? And also can sketch people, like people sketching. We can sketch quicker than normal pencil because of the big line of the pencil. When we sketch with the brushstroke pencil, the output of our sketch should be show the character of the broad line, not the normal line. Some people sketch with the brushstroke pencil. The outline of the sketch still have the small line, look like the sketch from the normal pencil. And then we will talk about the important thing when we start to sketch with the brushstroke pencil. We must know how to sharpen the pencil first. Must know how to sharpen. You see, this is the normal pencil and cutter. Everyone can prepare your stationery and better prepare some container or trash bin when you sharpen the pencil. Before we start, I will show you the pencil. This is the normal pencil, right? And the pencil I used is Mitsubishi. The brand I use is Mitsubishi 4B or 5B. This is the packaging. It's normal pencil, right? But why I choose the Mitsubishi brand? Because the lead of this brand is bigger than normal compared to this one. This one is Stettler. We will see the lead of Mitsubishi is bigger and can sharpen and got the bigger line from Mitsubishi pencil. This is why I use Mitsubishi. But actually, everyone still can use every 4B pencil we can buy in the market. So we will start to sharpen the pencil. I will show you how to. So first prepare the container. This is a new pencil, right? This is Mitsubishi 4B. So let's start. Everyone can start at the same time. First we will mark on the pencil 1, 2, 3 centimeters. So let's start. We got the round one, right? So start to make it flat and bigger. And do it both sides. Like this. Everyone can sharpen your pencil together right now. Almost finished. Actually, finished for the sharpening. You see? We can sketch like this. You see? You see how big of the lead when you sharpen. And my favorite, I don't like to hold the pencil like this. Actually, I like to use my hand and press my hand and sketch like this. So I use this one. This is the normal sandpaper. The normal sandpaper. I stick with the thick paper, right? I do it myself. This is the paper, sandpaper. Tiếng Việt gọi là giấy giáp. Giấy giáp. Cái này là giấy giáp. So I will press my hand and sketch on the sandpaper. So I will cut the lead of the pencil like this. The same position of my hand pressed on the paper. See? Actually, the line is thicker than normal. We got the pencil and ready to sketch already. This is the final one. Okay. Recap the step of the how to prepare the pencil. My yourself that we will sharpen 3 centimeter, always 3 centimeter, something like this. You see. Okay. Next, we will study, practice to draw the line in various direction, something like this. If everybody have the paper and pencil already, can practice together. First one is horizontal, vertical, and curve and diagonal, right? So we will practice to sketch draw slowly, carefully. We can practice together. This is a basic practice how to draw the line. Okay, this is for the just a sample. Next, we can draw the line that can make the many texture, something like this. If we hold the pencil like this, hold the pencil. I sketch it with my left hand side. First one is the direction, something like this. We got the thin line, right? The second one, big line, but look like the dotted line. The third one, bigger, continue line. This one, we press your hand just one side, so the line is not equal, right? You see. Or like this. Or make the line not straight. Something like this. This is the fundamental stroke when we sketch with the pencil. And after that, we can make the tone, many tone, many texture, right? Something like this. Make the tone, that means we sketch the whole area, right? Something like this. B is the gradient. Just a sample. Third one is the texture. When we sketch the wall that have a big texture, small texture. Just for sample. And this one small texture. This is the fundamental how to use the line, make the tone have the different value. This is just for the sample. And next, we will make the grid like this and sketch different tone, different value. Normally, in the broad stroke pencil sketching, we will sketch just 1, 2, 3 tone. It means light, medium, and dark tone. And when we sketch, we will got another extra tone. It's I call it highlight. The highlight is just leave the paper white. No need to sketch anything on that area. So we sketch just light, medium, and dark in our picture and got some extra light when we leave the white paper. So we will practice to use the different tone for the tree or for the brick wall or for the wood or for the earth, something like this. So we will practice together to do the different tone, a random different tone, something like this is the picture we are sketching, the random tone. Or can use this like this. This way we'll can practice how to draw the different tone in one picture. something like this for the example. The different tone or different value in the picture, we can arrange so many options. Something like this is the one landscape. We can arrange the two or three value, two or three tone to put on our sketch, something like this. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6. It's different. Even it is the same picture. Some people may ask the far away should be dark or should be light. If the tree is in the foreground, should be dark or should be white. This is the answer. You can arrange and manage your value, your tone by yourself. This is the sample. The same picture, the same object, right? And we will see the tone of the tree, the tone, the value of the house different. It can make the picture different, and the focal point of the picture is different too. Another sample, the same picture, you see the value of the boat different. The value of the mountain far away is different, right? That can make the different focal point in your sketch. This is a good example for the value arrangement. You see, this is the same picture. This is the pier, the port near the sea, right? The option A, picture A, you see, the ship is quite dark, right? The picture B, the ship is quite a light value and dark value at the port or the bridge or the house, right? If we sketch different value, will change the focusing of the picture. This sketch, the focus is the ship, right? But this picture, the focus is the bridge and the house, right? The ship is far away, right? This is the benefit of the different tone can make the focusing different too. That's why the value make our sketch nice. The nice sketch should be the 3-layer, right? 3-layer is foreground, we call foreground, middle ground, and background. In this diagram of the plane, we have 4 planes. First is foreground and middle ground, background, and another far away is the sky, right? So we have 4 planes. Foreground tiếng Việt là cảnh trước đúng không? Cảnh giữa, cảnh sau. The nice sketch should have 3 or 4 layers like this. So next we will practice to use the line and use the value or the tone we practiced before to sketch to make the form for the building, right? This is a easy exercise, right? This is 1, 2, 3. It's an easy way to sketch the building, right? And we can put the detail later. It's an easy way to sketch the building. The example I showed you before. You see this picture. It's an easy way to sketch the building, right? It's okay, everybody? So next is we will use line and the stroke to create the form of the tree. Example A is like a multiple direction, and the example B is the vertical direction. So we will practice the example A first. The easy way to sketch the quick tree. You see, this is a different direction of the line, right? Example A, right? Example B, we use just the vertical. You can practice by yourself and you can judge which one you like and keep it as your style. The sketch with vertical direction is easier when we sketch because we can control the direction. But my favorite, I like the multiple direction more. You see, when we sketch the tree, we will use both line and value to create the form of the tree. But in one picture, you can also use both style in the same picture. Okay, let's see the output of when we use line and value to create the form of the building, you see, and the form of the tree. And next, I have a tip for landscape sketching when we want to sketch the tree far away. I have a tip that we must mind the outline of the tree, which reach the sky. The picture of the tree will nice or not nice up to the outline of the tree we sketch. And if the tree is closer or bigger, you still also mind the outline and also mind the gap inside the tree, the gap that we can see through the tree to the sky. And after this, we will sketch for the demo. We will sketch the street in the old quarter, Hanoi. I will show you the picture first. This is the Hang Vai Street in the old quarter, Hanoi. The Hang Vai Street right now have many bamboo for sale. So we will start from the focal point of the picture first. and try to use value to create the form. Normally I don't use the line too much. Start from the focal point and keep on sketching the rest of the object. You see, we still keep the lead broad. You see, keep the line broad. Normally I use just one pencil and sharpen just one time for one picture. No need to prepare too many pencil. Just one pencil, 4B pencil is enough. And sharpen just one time when you start to sketch each picture. Change the direction of your hand, you see. When you change the direction of your hand, we got the different line, different size of the line. This is the sketch from the picture, but if you sketch on the location, it's difficult than this because we must manage the object, manage the focal point. Okay. the demo, I think, is finished. This is the Hang Vai Street in Old Quarter, Vietnam. We take around 10 minutes or 15 minutes, 10 minutes. It may have the problem with the microphone. I'm sorry, very sorry, but I think you can hear the voice right now. The workshop, it ran almost 1 hour already, so everybody can get some idea about the broad stroke pencil sketching. If have enough time, maybe next time we will do the demo or do the workshop, something like this again in the future. Okay, today thank you for joining the workshop. Oh, I have another thing. I will show you the book of the master. This is the Ted Koski pencil book. Inside is how to sketch with the broad stroke pencil. This is the old book. I think cannot buy from the bookstore right now. This is very old book, right? Ted Koski. If anyone have the question or want to know more about the broad stroke sketching, you can join the broad stroke pencil sketching Facebook. Is it the place to share your pencil broad stroke sketching in this Facebook. And if anybody want to have the material I show you today, can message me later. We will talk the detail and how to send you all the material. Okay, today is thank you again. See you next time.